Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on auto night mode on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click settings. Now click shut settings and here you will find this auto night mode. Just click on it like this and that's it. It will be turned on, and that's how to turn on auto night mode, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.